So one thing I want to do is not only show you the moving average channel here and just candle box laws, call out for a top in June. Let's see if we can show his picture. So he did a math solve of what's it called, golden ratio, triple golden ratio, symmetrical, and acknowledgement from the fib spirals, three touch hit, and three touch hit, and triple golden ratio. It's pretty hard to get that with the magic number and price magic number 369, Nikola Tesla's perfect symmetrical number, and magic number 3 variant 999. And this is the kind of expected move for 369. And then if we look at the top of the moving average channel, we're coming on pretty close. This is 438793. So it's pretty close to the 4369. So it's got a nice target for some hard resistance. So I wouldn't really get in the way of this move long term. And I think it's going to take till June before we get anywhere close to touching it. We are in an election year, and in statistic-wise, on the election year, there's a nice rally, and I'm thinking we're in it right now. We're going to have a nice sell in May and go away, consolidation, and then after that consolidation and basing, we're going to have a nice touch to the upper range here of around 4369 or whatever, just stopping out those bears that got in this wick, or whatever highs that got put in for making that bear move. But I think the bears will come back in after we touch that move. I do want to make a portfolio or math solve on the Charles Schwab robotic revolution. So to get a nice math solve on this would be really interesting. I don't know if I can do it right now. Let's see. If we use this as a low, this is a midpoint, and we're going for, this is a W. The goal would be to figure out the next point. We might have to go down to the 3-month. So this is saying there's going to be support coming up right around there. So it's we'll move this to the side. Okay, we want this to go the other way. Huh. Oh, I know what it did. Okay. There we go. So math solve. Obviously, we want... So I think that's done. That's completed. So we needed to move it down. So if we did that, we would start at this leg. So we want to see where the M is going to complete. And I think this is going to be where we start the journey of just trying to figure out of where this completes. We're getting close to 618 here. Or 681. So if we're gonna get around point 0.5, I want to go for 0.577. It just makes it weird for the bottom part of the ratio on the other side. X, A, B, C. Oh shoot! You know what? We gotta lock it. All right. I don't know. There we go. A little better. We could do that. Uh, 411. Hmm. I think it's gonna be a little deeper. Like, thinking around here. Maybe a 0.6. You can't get a 618.6 magic number. Just won't go perfectly. Magic number 303, or it would be cool if we got 314 pi. We got 0.33, 618. Oh, it's so close. X, A, B, C, D. It just, there we go. And then X. 1, 4. I mean, it's below what we want it. This looks good though. D. Okay, it's straight up on that last point. Just B, X, A, B. Oh, we're so close to 1, 4. Okay, we need this to be like 3. It won't do it. 168. Magic number, magic number, magic number. That's the best I got. And then we lock it and we do fib spirals. Hmm. Okay, this is looking better. Oh no, it's looking like we're having a hard time. Like it's not correct entirely. We can't get a solve. So, back to the drawing board. If we were to just assume that B is correct or X is correct, we would need to start much bigger or something. What about here? Oh, we can move this out. Let's see, D. Dang. Yeah, that looks about right. Yeah, definitely looks more correct. I forgot I could do that. Oh, a little bit. That's not bad. Yeah, it's definitely acknowledging this D right there. Orange. And then, can we get another one? Oh, it's so close to hitting that C. It would have to become smaller to hit the C. Can we make the B smaller? Yeah. Move D over. Still got the magic numbers going. This time it's over July 2024. Yeah, credit crisis. So we got those three acknowledged. Those three acknowledged. Roughly these three acknowledged. Uh, we just need a spiral on C to connect with something. Get this green one. And then we want counter, or non, the opposite. E. It's okay. It's the best I can do, but yeah, I think this is the champion uh, trade idea. Robotic Revolution, ABB, ROK. These are just the largest market cap. Of course, other stocks, other new companies could fit under Robotic Revolution. This is just what I picked as, like, if you have a larger market cap, it's generally safer. So SKY, ISRG, TXT, EMR, AME, PH, BA, Boeing, ROK, and ABB. So that's pretty much it. That's the best kind of cup and handle double bottom bull flag I can do for like a really nice portfolio, 10 years, 50-year plus, that I think will do well for the future. It would be kind of awesome to see that pan out, and then where the next leg would be for this kind of portfolio. We could try to forecast it. We would start from here, going here, and we do the W. And we would just try to figure out with a spiral. It looks like it would be all the way. It would be somewhere around here. So if we put a spiral, we would look to see where it would acknowledge. So roughly, possibly, here would be a nice spot that it would acknowledge. So if we were to 618, let's see, or 681, or 696 or 6. See, 491. We got to go 441. That's close. Unfortunately, it won't allow us to do finer tuning. Let's see. Yeah, 681. We can't even get to 68, and then 441. 618. That's the best I can do for something that's semi close. But it looks like, yeah, it's going to challenge. It's going to go a little higher than these highs. So definitely all the way till 2033, 2034. This would be my winning portfolio. Going into, if the Eurodollar future cycle is correct, and we started the 22-year cycle in 2013, and we're to start it again in 2035, 22 plus 2034, or no, 2013. So 22 plus 2013, 2035. If I were to get ready for the next bull run, it would be on this pullback with the robot revolution and whatever stocks would fit in that idea. And then I would buy on this dip, and you would immediately, within, what is that, 5 years? That's 2024 to 2034. So 10 years, within 10 years, you'll be doing, this is an assumption with the forecast because we're going 2 legs out. So it's 2 legs is really hard to do to forecast from my experience, but it's doable. But that's the idea, is that betting on the future. Robot revolution looks really bright. As far as in the news, it's doing really well. Even though I expect a big pullback with the credit crisis, if I were to put my money for 10, 20, 30 years, robot revolution, I think would be a good place to put it, based upon the math solve, the pattern, double bottom bull flag, or cup and handle, pick whatever you want to choose, and just the look of what it's doing. And you could use those market cap stocks, or you could use new ones. But for the most part, I think this investment idea for the thesis or trade idea wouldn't do bad. Not financial advice. I'm just saying, from what I observed, is that we're forming a bullish pattern, and we got a bullish solve for 2 legs out. Of course, we got a nice pullback coming, and that's where I would like to buy. So thanks for watching. See you next video.